Hi guys, my name is Gerald from Trading Waves. Welcome to today's short video. We take a look at oil, US Brent crude oil there. We're looking at this structure in particular here, taking into account the proposal that we make that wave 5 or 5 or 5 of C of X and the supercycle degree is done. And if that is correct, then we are within wave Y of the supercycle degree. And we started off nicely with an impulse here to the downside. We propose this as wave 1 in the green degree or the minute degree. And this a bounce higher, we propose this wave 2. The question is wave 2 done or not yet? Because wave 2, if it's done here, we should be seeing an acceleration to the downside breaking lower than this low here. Or we could be seeing wave 2 being something like this, as a regular flat corrective structure before we can see a wave 3 lower. Okay, so what we want to wait for here is a confirmation. So here we could still be looking to get a move to the upside where we have 3 lower. Then we could get either 3 or 5 higher for C of 2 to be in that area there before we can see a move to the downside. Okay, and that's what we're looking at, right? And how will we know which one is likely going to happen? In this case, I think the two possibilities have a 50-50% chance of happening. We wait. If price comes and breaks lower than this low here, then we know that wave 2 indeed is done there. Otherwise, wave 2 can always, as I indicated, be somewhere else, like over there, as a flat corrective structure before we see more downside. It would be nicer if we get wave 2 to be a flat corrective structure elsewhere like that, because that's going to give us a nice entry for a short position within wave Y in the supercycle degree, as we're looking for oil to get cheaper and cheaper. All right, that's what we are looking at on oil, and that's how we're looking at oil. So the best thing here is to, as I indicated, to wait for a corrective structure to complete. We will be looking for an impulse and a bounce after before we can look to trade that lower. It hasn't given us much opportunity to enter, and that's why I think that a flat corrective structure in this instance would be better, because after that we'll expect an impulse lower and a continuation lower. And why an impulse after a corrective structure? Because the sequence preceding the corrective or the correction itself is impulsive. So one would expect that the impulse continues. Remember, Elliott wave in 2 waves: there's impulse, correction, impulse. This is for upside. For downside is the same thing: impulse, correction, impulse. So that's what we'd be expecting to see on oil going forward. And nothing should be done. As far as our account is concerned and our view is concerned, I do not think it would be safe to look to sell oil here or to buy oil here. As I said, the two possibilities here appear to be having a 50-50 probability of happening. So I would not advise any action here. It's just watch it and let the market build up structures and complete the structures and give us a clear, it will definitely give us a clear indication of where the instruments is going next. All right. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Cheers.